Next one is a common rail fuel injection systems. The common rail systems fuel is distributed to the injection from the high pressure accumulators called as a rail. This rail is fed by a high pressure fuel pump. The pressure in the rail as well as the start and the end of the signals the active injector for each cylinder is electronically controlled. The two types of injectors common rail diesels in engines. Several types of injectors can be used in common rail systems, including the servo controlled and electro hydraulics injectors and direct acting injectors. Injectors servo controlled electric hydraulic injector, servo controlled electro hydraulic injector incorporating pressure and amplifications, or direct acting injectors. Advantages of C.R.D.I. The C.R.D.I. systems can control the flow of fuel accordance with the load speed the engines. These systems require only one fuel pump for the multiple cylinders. C.R.D.I. systems is beneficial for the environmental as it reduces the noise, smoke, particulate matters. It gives a high power output at low RPMs. The reduced engines NVH owing a lot of less moving parts and advancement in the diesel engine technologies. C.R.D.I. engine are quieter, increase the power. C.R.D.I. engines as a powerful, very powerful C.R.D.I. diesel engines produce up to 25% more torque compared to petrol engines, displacing the same amount of fuel. The difference between the injections and common rail diesel, simply the common rail injections sprays the fuel into the port before intake valve. Direct injection sprays fuel after the intake valve directly into the combustion chamber. The common rail direct the fuel injections systems for the petrol diesel engines. On diesel engines with the future high pressures, maximum 2000 bar psi, 2000 bar to 29,000 psi. Fuel rail feedings individual solenoid valve as opposed to the low pressure fuel pump feeding injectors or pump nozzles. The 5 component of common rail fuel injection systems: fuel injection pump, pressurized fuel high pressure. Second one is a high pressure pipe, send fuel to the injection nozzle. Third one is a injection nozzle, inject the fuel into the cylinder. Fourth one is a feed pump, suck the fuel from the fuel tank. Fifth one is a fuel filter, filter the fuels. And engine control. The advantages of common rail systems: the fuel efficiency, eco-friendly lines, quiet operations, high torque. The disadvantages is highly sensitive to the fuel quality. Injectors are sensitive to the impurities, expensive and complicated repair. The fuel filters need to be replaced more frequently. The C.R.D.I. is a common rail direct injection engines. The term of C.R.D.I. standards common rail direct injections. The technology directly injects the fuel into the cylinder of a diesel engine through a single common line known as a common rail. The more specific fuel mixers delivers better efficiency, the meaning increases in power and decrease the fuel consumptions. The common rail engines are generally quieter with less knocking vibrations.